Hello, welcome to new tutorial video. In here today we are discussing about how to do keyword research in the best way, because as we know, if you are going to start online business, there is a lot of requirements that you want to do before you do your business. There is a right way that you need to start your business. So keyword research is the most important part of building online business, and it's the part where the people, when they fail, they will fail everything else. So it is key part of all the process. So we need to understand it deeply and to discuss about it. So we will discuss here on how to do keyword research in a free way. And as we know, there is many ways that you can do. There is a lot of keywords that you can use if you can build them. So in here, in this video, we are discussing some tricks or free ways that you can do your research. So let us go deeply without wasting more time. So in here, in Google Keyword Planner, you can use this a free tool you can use to search on the keywords that you want. In here I put language best practices. This is the keyword I am going to search on. So you see a lot of ideas here, a lot of keywords that the people are searching. This is a volume of the total value of the people are searching on it. This number is not precise, it's not specifically telling you precise data, but it is average, which is the people are searching. And mostly if you see some numbers here, these numbers are telling you mostly how the people are searching. So if you are starting some business with this affiliate marketing or other business, you need to come here and search first, to put your keyword on here and see these results, the competition, the monthly search, and CPC. These are most important things. If you are going to buy some paid advertisement, this will be important for you. Yeah, this competition will be important for you. And here, these are a very high competition, but there is some low competition that you need to see. And this competition mostly is for paid advertisement, not for the organic traffic. If you need the organic traffic, you will see how research for organic traffic. But if you are going to pay, especially the low competition, there is a lot of low competition that you can avoid. Less than 5 cent you can advertise on it. So it is so important. So you need to pay that time, because there is millions of results on us, free results. So you can't compete them if you are newly starting. If you are now starting, so you need to pay, and the payment will not be that much if you understand the tricks or trigger ways that you can use to get some traffic. You may get traffic less than 5 cents. We see the competition here. We say very low competition. If you are going to buy them, this is the still the high. So this is a low. If you see such less than 10 cents, there is no people who are bidding. That means there is no people bidding. So we may get less than 5 cents. People who are going to start a real business can avoid paying such amount of money. So this is a way you can research on Google, and you can use Google Keyword Planner. It somehow has some challenges, because most of the new people, they can use it because it conditioning them to have some active campaign. Mostly they don't show you the real results if you don't pay in them. If you are not paying them, if there is no campaign to use there. There is another ways you can use, which is Chrome extension with keyword everywhere. It's very useful tool that you can use for search the volume of the traffic that you need. So it is free tool. You can search on here and install on your Chrome or Firefox, and simply you will only register and they will show you this data that you can see on here. This the data they are showing you about this keyword. They show you the volume of monthly search and the CPC and the competition, and also they show you here the similar or related keywords, and also what the people are searching on this keyword. And here on the bottom they also show the same data. And it's important to use such keyword, and it is beautiful and very very important. And also in here, if you are going to pay traffic for this keyword similar to this keyword, you see this keyword mostly language mostly are very expensive, but in here it's not expensive. You may get less than 10 cent, 20 cent or 50 cent, because of there is no bidders here. There's no blind bidders, there is no companies who are bidding here, because there is no advertisement. As you see here, it is blank, no advertisement. If you go to the next page, also we will never see any other bidders. There's no bidders you see here. If you are going to recognize what is the mostly, if we change here, if you say landing page, if we say like this, you may see some competition here. Yeah, the advertisement is like this. This sign tells you there is advertisement. There is a lot of advertisement on this market. If you are going to bid on, maybe you will pay a lot of money, So you need to understand. Let's go to the next page. We may see another advertisement, so it's expensive. It may not be more expensive, but you don't need to start with that. So let us go back to origin keyword. Also, this is the ways you can do your research. And also, if you need to understand the exact competition on this, you put in between this and you see what the exact result of this keyword is. 41,600,000 risk, very small. Very small competition are going here. So it's a great way also that you can do. And also you can now using the timeout method, which is clicking on the last number on here. That's they call timeout method, which will show you how many exact results are on here. Usually, yeah, we are going to see the last page on this 22. I think this is the last page. Yeah, here there is only 210 pages are competing on this keyword. So we can know that through the using this method, or this timeout method. That is a way to know the exact competition on this. So also you can know the exact titles or competition in the title of keyword, also doing in title, saying in title. You can also, this also will show you the exact titles which are available currently on this page. It is also 51,900 results available. If you wanted to know also the exact competition on the URL, it's the main parameters that you want to understand. You will use URL. You put in URL also, and you will count. So it is tricks that you can use to make research before you take the decision, and that will show you all the results which is available already on Google. If you are trusting paid advertisement or organic traffic, this is the organic traffic, organic competition, which is already available on here. So it's the number less than 50,000. This means it's a good sign that you will also can rank on Google organically. So it's a good way. And also it's good timeout method, which will show you the exact pages, and mostly less than 150 pages is still possible. You can rank on Google in free way. If you are trusting the free traffic, this method is a good way that you can discover a lot of interesting keywords. And also if you're interested in the paid advertisement, also I have shown you some ways that you can do. So I hope this was a useful contribution to your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe this channel, follow the new updates. Thanks.